For decades, the pinnacle of luxury travel meant soaring above the clouds in a private jet. Speed, privacy, prestige, nothing could beat it. Until now. What if the future of luxury isn't in the sky, but underground? Inside a tube that defies air resistance and redefines velocity. Inside, forget about traditional design. Think private suite with adaptive lighting, real-time holograms, and the silence of space travel. All yours. At 700 miles per hour, your destination isn't hours away, it's minutes. So, what happens when time is no longer the luxury? No more airports, no security lines. Step from your home into your pod and vanish, only to reappear at your destination before anyone else even takes off. Welcome to the Hyperloop Hub, part station, part sanctuary, a new playground for the ultra-elite where exclusivity meets engineering. When speed becomes accessible, luxury evolves. Now, the true status symbol is how personal, how bespoke your pod and your route really are. Will luxury automakers abandon wheels altogether? Or will new players rise, ones who craft not cars, but experiences? In the world of tomorrow, luxury may no longer be about where you go, but how seamlessly you disappear and reappear. Are you ready? If you could design your own Hyperloop pod, what would it look like? What would you prioritize? Comfort, speed, or complete isolation? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your vision of the future.